Li Muhammadin. Or if it was Yasir, it will become Li Yasirin. If it was Abbas, Li Abbasin. Is it clear? Because it is harf jar. It is a preposition. It's a preposition.
And if it was dipto, then we say the.
Yes. So here, let's say about Zainab. It belongs to Zainab, or it is for Zainab. So I will say Li Zainaba, mashallah. Why ba, brother? Because it is a diptot. It cannot take a kasra. But now, because of Li, I will say Zainab is Ism Majroor. What will I say? Ism Majroor. Okay? I will say Ism Majroor. You know, all these things will be repeated in book 3, but in greater detail. In such a nice way, they will be repeated in book 3. But brother, this knowledge of analysis will help you there to understand with ease.
The translation of this is whose is this?
To whom it belongs. To whom it belongs. What is the answer? It is for Khalid, or you can say it belongs to Khalid. It belongs to Khalid. Okay? Liman haza. Liman haza. Haza li Muhammadin. What do you say? Haza li Muhammadin. Are you with me? Liman haza. Haza li Muhammadin. Now, I am writing here the name of Abdul Qadir. I write another name. Abdullahi. Brother, what is Abdul Qadir? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Maybe I should write down Abdul Samad also. Samadi. Abdul Samadi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is Abdullah? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Now, if I say Haza li, what will happen now to Abdullah? Haza li. Look at Abdullah. Now I am using harf jar. Haza li Abdullahi. What will I say? Brother, are you with me? Haza li. Haza or hazihi, doesn't matter. Haza li Abdullahi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Haza li Abdullahi. Haza li Abdul Qadir. Haza li Abdus Samad. Not Abdus Samad anymore, because li came, harf jar came. Are you with me, brother Hassan? Harf jar has come. It must make a ism majroor. Are you with me? Now how will you analyze? Haza li Abdullahi. Haza mubtada. Okay, and where is the khabar? Li harf jar. Are you with me? Li harf jar. I need ism majroor. Where is ism majroor? Abdi. Only Abdi. And then what is Abdi? Mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? I will explain you a little bit more, brother. Li Abdi is our jar majroor. Are you with me? Li Abdi is our jar majroor. But then Abdullahi is our mudaf ilayhi. So here, brothers and sisters, Abdi is playing two roles. What is Abdi doing? He is playing two roles. In the first role, it is coming as a ism majroor. And then it is turning around and becoming mudaf. Are you with me? So you have to keep this in mind. We'll do a lot of practice. Sister Mehna, samajh mein aaya? Haza mubtada. Okay, where is the khabar? Li Abdi, jar majroor. But then li is harf jar, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. One more time I will say. Haza mubtada, li harf jar, abdi ism majroor, shubu jumla khabar you can say, and then you can say this is mudaf ilayhi. Or you can say li harf jar, abdi ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. Yes, brother. Sure. Are you with me? Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Okay. Now this was an explanation that I gave you for Li, because it seems you got a little confused with Li Khalidin. Okay. Look at this sentence. Ad-darajatu anasin hadhihi. Ad-darajatu anasin hadhihi. Darajatu anasin. What is darajatu anasin? Bicycle of Anas. What is it, brother? Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Circle it if you want to. What will you circle is? Darajatu Anasin. What is it? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. And then hazihi. Is this the bicycle of Anas? Anasin? See? Mudaf ilayhi, majroor. Now, we are not analyzing questions. We will only translate them. What is the answer? La. Hadhihi darajatu Ammarin. This is the bicycle of Ammar. What is Hazihi? Mubtada. What is darajatu? Khabar. See, it matches. Muannas. Wa huwa mudaf and Ammarin mudaf ilayhi. Now look at it. Hazihi jadidatun. Why tun, brother? And not Hadihi Jadidun, because it is Muannas. Muannas Khabar must match Muannas Mubtada. Muannas Mubtada should have Muannas Khabar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Very good. Wa darajatu anasin. If there are no vowel signs, you can put a vowel sign. Darajatu anasin. Qadimatun. Because where is mubtada? Darajatu. Wa huwa mudaf. And because it is a muannas, the khabar has to be muannas. So, where is the khabar? Qadimatun. And anasin is mudaf ilayhi. Very good. Hadhihi sa'atu aliyin. These are all the sentence before this we did it with Haza. Now we are doing it with Hazi. So once you know the concept, it's halwa puri, brother. Hadihi mubtada, where is khabar? Sa'atu. Put a line after hadihi. Hadihi mubtada, and where is the khabar? Sa'atu. Look at the sentence. Hadihi sa'atu aliyin. Hadihi mubtada, where is sa'atu? What is sa'atu? Khabar. Wa huwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayhi. Very good. Aliyin. Ism majroor. Mudaf ilayhi majroor. Okay. Hiya. See, now is hiya. Muannas. Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Jamilatun. Jamilatun. What is jiddan, brother? Very. We do not want to analyze that in grammar. We will do it in book 3. We don't do it now. I have to be very careful, For me, you are small children, I have to be careful of what I feed you. I don't want any indigestion. Okay? Fine. Hadihi mil'akatun. What is this? Hadihi mubtada. What is mil'akatun? Khabar. What is the meaning of mil'akatun? Spoon. What do you say in Urdu? Chamchi. Muannas sahi. But chamchi has a very bad meaning, Okay, very good. Wahazihi qidrun. So she milakatun, you saw ta marbuta, which is easy. But qidrun, you did not see anything to tell us it is muannas. But now, when we read once, then we will remember that qidrun is a muannas. Like that. Okay, brother?